Hey guys, today's video is going to be a ThredUp unboxing. This is the mixed clothing box. It is $60. There are 25 things in the box. They have drops on their website. These boxes are kind of hard to get because they do sell out pretty quickly. Are you guys ready to see what I got? First thing in the box is a blouse from the Limited. This says size extra small, but this is more like an extra small. If you are interested in anything that I show in this video, I will be selling all this stuff in a Whatnot show coming soon. Okay, so this is what the blouse looks like. It's floral, new tags, but again, this is not an extra small. What is this? It's a dress. It's a dress. It's a dress. Ooh, another, no, almost new tags. White House Black Market, size 00. I don't know. Do they have vanity sizing? I'm not sure. 00. I mean, that is kind of tiny. This is a pretty dress though. Hold on. Let me show you. This is pretty. 00. I don't know. I don't know if I agree with that sizing. It's midi length. It's cute though. White House Black Market. Got some jeans. Ooh, Everlane. These are Everlane jeans. They're a size 4. What are these called? What are these called? I don't know. I don't know what they're called, but they are white. And oh, these are cute. These are wide leg. Bottom looks like this. These are cute. We got some shorts, some J. Crew City Fit shorts. They're a size 2. They look like this. More new tags, Banana Republic, extra small. I don't know how much it retails for. Just a blouse. Just a blouse. Free wrinkles with this. Ooh, we got some faux leather pants from H&M. These are a size 8. Okay. Oh, they're cute with the zipper. Yeah, there's some faux leather pants. All right, those are cute. This is another blouse from Tommy Hilfiger. There's no size. I would say this is a medium. It's just like a maroon sheer blouse. Yes, very sheer. You for sure would have to wear something underneath this. Or not. It's up to you. More jeans from Express. I used to wear Express jeans in high school. They were my absolute favorite. These are boot mid-rise jeans, size 8. What are you? Banana Republic, size small. Okay, this is very oversized for a small. Just a tank. This is a weird material. It's almost like satiny feeling. It has a belt too. H&M, new with tags, size 14. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a dress. Oh, I love the cream with the blue. This is really pretty. A blue. It's Veronica Beard. Okay, all right, a Veronica Beard. This feels like wool. Veronica Beard, size 4. Beard. Why do I say that? Weird. I say beard, weird. 100% wool. Dry clean only. Okay, Veronica Beard. Blazer. Oh, this is different. Okay, hold on. This is different. Zips right there in the middle, but there's buttons. Like, how would you, oh, maybe have the option of zipping it or buttoning it, because I don't know, it's weird to zip it and button it because it like overlaps. I don't know. Okay, Veronica Beard. It's got shoulder pads. I've never found Veronica Beard in the wild, so I'm excited for this. Got some Joe's, not jeans, Joe's pants. Joe's, size 28. Let me just button them so you can see how they look. Yeah, just some olive green cargo pants. Ooh, these are on trend. Some cargo pants, Joe's, size 28 with hem at the bottom. What is this? Talbots. Is this a skirt? Talbots, size 12, Irish linen. Irish linen, huh? 100% linen. It's a skirt, right? Yeah. Okay. It's a long skirt too. Does it have a slit in the front? Oh, it does. Oh, no. Talbot's stuff wouldn't be like revealing like that, right? No, it just kind of wraps in the front, but it's Irish linen. What the hell's Irish linen? Do you guys know? This is a pretty color. What are you? I was hoping this was Skims. but it's not. It's Love by Gap. New with tags. Ooh, I've gotten a couple of new with tag stuff. Okay. This is a size medium. Just a little tank. Odilly? Odil. I don't know how to say this brand. This is a size 0. Odilly. There's the tag. Never heard of this brand before, but this is pretty. It's all embroidered. It's pretty. This is cute. H&M, size 6. This cute little pink skirt. That's really cute with the buttons. Or H&M, size medium. This is a cute little sweater. It's got little patches on the elbow. It's long. We got some Lucky Brand jeans. These are the my battery is flashing. All right, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Lucky Brand jeans. The Sienna Slim boyfriend jeans. These are a size 2 or 26. More white. More white jeans. Boyfriend jeans. So they're made to be, you know, a little bit bigger, except these kind of look skinny on the bottom. So I'm a little confused. J. Crew button down shirt. There's no size. This looks like a large. Another dress from Uniqlo. This is a size small. Just a sleeveless red like t-shirt dress. This is a pretty color. Banana Republic, size extra small. Blouse. This is silk. This can't be silk. It's silk. It's 93% silk, 7% spandex. I was like, this feels nice. Okay. This is Forever 21, size medium. Oh, this is a cute skirt though. This is cute. I love this color. Couple things left. This is another dress. Yes, dress from ASOS. It is a size 6. And this really pretty pink color. Midi length dress with a slit in the front. This is cute. The back kind of scoops down like that. This is Loft. Is this a jumpsuit or is this a... Oh, this is cute. A little polka dot jumpsuit. Size medium. It's cute. This has got to be like rayon. The tag is probably like way the hell. Oh no, it's right here. 100% rayon. There it is. That's cute. And the last thing in the box is another dress from J. Crew. It's a size 4. Little polka dot dress. This is cute. It has pockets too. It's got pockets. All right, so that's everything that I got in my ThredUp mixed clothing box. You know, it wasn't bad. I got some good things in there. The Veronica Beard blazer, and everything else is just like, you know, there's some like bread and butter, but then there's some like good bread and butter. So I think this was a decent box. I have a couple of more coming in the mail. I will do unboxings for those as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, if you guys want to sign up for ThredUp, I have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.